So as you guys can see, this is an Arduino Uno board, and this is an LED and a resistance, and this is a potentiometer with which I have connected this screwdriver. So whenever the aim of the project is, whenever I move this potentiometer, the blinking speed of the LED should increase, that is the flashing rate of this LED should increase. Okay, so let me upload the code first in my Arduino Uno.
Let's understand the circuit diagram. So I have connected the pin number 3 of Arduino to the LED, and the negative terminal of the LED is grounded by this 220 ohm resistor. And now we have this potentiometer. The leg 1 of the potentiometer is connected to the positive 5 volt, and the second leg of the potentiometer is connected to the analog pin A0 of Arduino Uno, and the third pin of the potentiometer is connected to ground. So this is the small circuit for this project. Understand the code. So here I have defined pin number 3 and pin number A0. Here I have connected my LED at pin number 3, and I have connected my potentiometer at pin number A0. Here pin number 3 is digital pin and A0 is analog pin. Further, I have defined one integer variable which is used to store the data which we are getting from the potentiometer. So now comes this void setup. Here I have begun the serial communication at the baud rate of 9600. Further, I have defined my pin number, digital pin number 3 as output and analog pin A0 as input. Now void loop. So here is the function called analog read. This function is used to map the values in the analog form. Like in digital we are having 0 or 1. Here 0 refers as low, and 5 volt, that is 1, refers as high. So we are mapping this digital data into analog form. Like for 0 low we are having 0, and for 1, that is 5 volt, we are having 1023 in analog form. And in analog we can get the data between 0 to 1023. Like it can be 500, 400, 201, 702, 805, anything. But in digital we are having only 0 or 1. So we are getting the data from analog read and which we are getting the data from potentiometer, which will be readed by this analog read function and is stored in analog data variable. Now we are printing that analog data on the serial monitor. Now this is the logic which we have used for blinking the LED is used same, but the slight difference is there. Like as we all know the basic thing that for blinking an LED we have to do the simple thing, like on the LED give some delay, off the LED then give some delay. But in this we are using the same, but we also know the one thing, like if we increase the delay the blinking time will decrease, and if we decrease the delay blinking time will increase. So this is the simple logic I have used in this program. As you can see this analog data in the place of delay, this is indicating that whenever I remove my potentiometer, the data of this analog data variable will vary. Like if I when I don't move my potentiometer, like the value is high, that is 1023, then the delay is of 1023 millisecond. When I move my potentiometer knob towards low, when I move it, then the data is continuously varying, and it will become decreasing. Like first it was 1023, now it became 500 suppose. Okay, I will show you this in serial monitor. See, so the current value we are getting is 1023, and this we have used in the place of delay, so it will become this delay. This 1023 is delay. So as I turn my potentiometer knob, it will comes down, like see, it became 833. So now the delay is also 833. We will get the data in analog data variable is 834, 833. So as we know the basic logic that if delay is decreasing, then the blinking speed is increased. So this is the basic logic. So if I move further, then it will again decreasing. Like it became now 477, 475, and further if I move further, then it will become 121, 120, 121. So this will we get in this value, in this data, analog data variable, and we are using this in place of this delay, so it will increasing. Whenever it increased, the blinking speed is decreasing, and whenever it is decreasing, then blinking speed is increasing. This is the simple logic behind it.
So thank you. This is our project, flashing rate, controlling the flashing rate with potentiometer. Thank you.